Hello and welcome to this MarineShift 360 training video on project portfolios. In this video we will go through how to use the project portfolio feature to group together multiple projects. These can be all projects from a specific year, campaign or testing phase, for example. Begin by selecting New Portfolio. Add in a name for your portfolio and select the projects that you would like to include. You can always add or remove projects later. Once you click Save, it will take you to the portfolio overview. To view the combined impact results from multiple projects within your portfolio, first select the projects you would like to include, and then click the Dashboard button. Currently, the portfolio dashboard only displays the combined global warming potential data for all projects. To view the results for other impact metrics, you must check each project individually. On the portfolio overview, you can also export data into an Excel file or add in an intensity metric. This is discussed in more detail in our quantity and intensity metrics training video. When you return to the projects page, you will now have the option to filter your projects by portfolio. In order to edit or delete a portfolio, use the drop-down to select your chosen portfolio, click View Portfolio, and go to the top right-hand corner to Edit Portfolio. Here you can change the name, add or remove projects, or you can delete your portfolio. If you delete your portfolio, it only deletes the grouping and does not delete any of your projects. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.